Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I will be showing you how to change default apps on iPhone. So to do this process, first you could just simply go ahead and open up the settings into your device. Now over here, you could just simply go for the bottom by just simply scrolling down, and you could just simply go ahead and tap on the apps over here. Now here on the apps at the very top, you should be able to see here, guys, default apps. So go ahead and select the default apps over here. And pretty much you should be able to change the default apps that you have into your phone. For example, I have the email and I will have options to select the specific application that I want to make it a default email app. And I will have other options as well when it comes to calling and messaging. So if you have other applications that you want to make it a default with, you should be able to change it over here. And you will have other categories as well to pretty much make it as a default. So guys, if you have the application downloaded, you should be able to change it and see the list over here on each category. And pretty much you can just simply go through these settings and that's it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we'll do our best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.